Alright guys, so if you look, you go see some men day, bro. Okay guys, so it's Kenny Suffish again, and I'm here with my crew, Stan Teves and my two niggas, my two bouncers, guys. So we pulled up another crazy prank today. It was mad, called Hookup prank, guys. So we went to school, we broke a girl, tied the girl, trying to say she stole from me. Like I pick her up based on hookup. She slept over for the night. Then the next day, every morning I was sleeping, she ran away with my money, my jewelries, everything, guys. So we went to pick her up in school, and the reaction was crazy. The reaction was mad. Like it was mad. You don't have to miss this video. We watch this video to the end, guys, because believe me, you're gonna enjoy this. Okay, then we have the man behind the camera, OJ Fios. I'm still gonna tag him. I'm gonna tag Stan Steph. But you have, yeah, so
your Instagram verse.
Okay guys, so I'm tagging all of them. Make sure you're following my crew, because we have more amazing videos and more amazing pranks coming your way, right? Let's go there.
Come on.